really nice case. So like sometimes you get like like a cloth exterior case or whatever. This is quite nice. This is like a sort of a plastic vinyl cover, but the fact that it has the printing on the outside is really nice. Never had a custom board. Very cool. But I mean, look, you don't ever really look at the case, but it is still a nice quality is what I'll say. It doesn't feel like premium, let's say, but it does feel very nice in terms of like the quality of it. That's cool. Opening it up, oops, let's see. Let's take a look. We've got, oh my gosh, it's hot swap. Thank goodness. This is gonna be an easy build tonight. An easy breezy build. Oh my gosh, flex cuts for days. Did everybody else tape the cuts or did they just leave them? Amazing. Okay, now what do we have here? What do we have here? Oh my gosh, Philippe! Feels like it's been a minute, man. How the hell are you? Okay, we've got sheets. We've got sheets of foam. So many sheets. One. Mid plate. We've got PCB foam. Holy moly. And then we've got case foam. Yeah, case foam. PCB foam. Holy moly. Holy moly. We got nothing but foam for days. Okay. Foam daddy. What's poppin', Mr. Sexy Man? Yo, what's poppin', Asmode? What's poppin'? Yo, what's up, Trig Daddy? What's going on? Triggity was mad because I didn't call him Trig Daddy. And then I saw him on, I can't remember whose stream it was, but I'm like, yo, Trig Daddy! Foam not needed? Frank, that's what I've seen. That's what I've seen. We're looking through the package contents, if you will. Oh, was it Jack? Yeah, that's right. Bro, Jack went hard, man. Jack was like 30 something hours, 37 hours or something. I can't even with that guy. He slept on stream. But I did Mondays and Wednesdays through. Oh my gosh, that's crazy, dude. His stream was good. Yeah, Jack did right by everybody for sure. That guy was for real. Okay. Now, what do we got here? What do we got here? We got a PC plate. By the looks of it. Oh my gosh. Bodie Codes. Hey, how's it going? Very good. Bodie, are you a coding streamer or is it just a nickname or what you want, an alias? Username. That's it. Hi, I've been on the internet. Okay, what have we got here? Comes with stabilizers, or this particular package does. Here. Let's take a look. Let us take a peek. Let us take a peek. Hello, Bodhi. Okay. Yeah, Philippe, you've been like AFK. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay, we've got a fair number. We've got, so these are specifically Melectrix stabs. I've got the Wuche Studio stabs already lubed up, and I'm thinking we're going to try them first. Because that's what I'm mainly doing on my computer. Okay, all right, well, that's fun. That's fun. Well, we ripped it. What's this, a battery? Yes. Yes, this is indeed the battery. It is indeed the battery for wireless operation. Wireless? Give me a break. Just kidding. All right. Okay, so we've got a plate. We've got a PCB we got to test. We got some gaskets. We got some, oh, feet. Okay. Got some, what's the word? Feet. Hello, Liam. How are you doing? Okay. feet picks. Let's go. Okay, it comes with a coiled cable. I understand why they include a coiled cable, but I mean, oh my God, that's heavy. Okay. I wasn't sure how much was the case, but that's kind of heavy. Oh, okay. Were push-ups increased? Afternoon push-ups were increased. Push-ups were increased in both cost and number. So I do more now per redeem. But I made them a little more expensive. Okay, before we do a walkthrough on this keyboard, let me the cream or silver. This is white, actually, I think. This is actually like white, not cream. And we've got the this one has like this like metallic chamfer that's not coated, and it's quite beautiful. Yo, Bodhi, thank you so much for the follow. And then look at this beautiful back. Sheesh. The Type B was very good, Frank. I am going to have to decide. I am going to have to make a decision. I am considering it very strongly. I know that we've got the Type B. I know that we've also got so dude, it's like I'm also considering the fact that like I know Kate is coming out with a HHKB, and I've never had a Hebe board, so I'm kind of interested. I'm here for the cables. GT coiled out of here. Okay, man, if you can EC. I know that's the thing too, right? Mad Asian with the full year. Mad Asian, I appreciate you, man. Honestly, thank you, for real. Okay, lucky for my wallet, I'm not a huge HHKB person. Yeah, the Type B was very good, I would say. Especially, I don't know if you guys checked the sound test. My spacebar was scuffed. Looking buff, dude. Anubis Prime. I was like reefing on trampoline supports for like an hour and a half today. That's why. Hebe releases Catesman teas. See, trees, that's what I'm talking about. The fact Paul isn't a fan of Topper and still doing ECPCB. You guys, the issue was not with the AP stabs. The issue was a skill issue on my part. The rest of the board sounded so freaking good. The alphas were crazy. They were popping off. And I put cream sodas in there. They were fabulous. Not every board does well with long poles. That board does. The Type B likes long poles. That's what I'll say. If you guys don't know, you know who did some really good pictures of it, actually? Here, let me just... Yo, Quackers, what's up? Quack, quack. Let us quickly go and check the... when do we need monkey type? I don't... My shared viewing is set up so only the browser window with monkey type in it is the shared window, so that all my like Gmail and personal information doesn't get like sprayed all over the place. It sounds amazing, at least to my liking. Bodhi, there you go. Where do I find such things? Okay, so hang on. So if we go to Instagram, and I want to show you guys, what the heck is his name? Dutch Master Dubs. This guy, and he did a post on this one. Go check out these photos, you guys, for real. Like, yeah, you're gonna see them here, but look at this next one. Oh, come on now. Look, I'm already simping. I'm like, Dutch, you crushed these photos for real. This is so nice. This one here, I was like, this one really hits. It was so nice. Plus, he pulled out the GMK box. It was this long. It was real deal Mizu. The last time I saw someone pull out a Mizu box was Tim, when freaking Manoli sent it to him, and it was like some BS like PBT set inside of it. He had the actual Mizu box. He put like some whatever site in there, whatever set in there. Oh my god. Anyways, this was pretty good. This was pretty damn good. Cream sodas in the Keychron, I'm sure would sound amazing. Cream sodas are kind of like hacks, you know, for keeps. Okay, Anubis, thank you for the water. Let us do the pushing of up. Not gonna lie, may put some lube on cream sodas just for the experience. You could. Do you prefer CRP or 21 kb? CRP for me. I've tried both. I had a set of 21 kb here. I tried them on an F1. They were only okay. CRP on the F1 for me sounded better. Someone tell me more about these Hebrew. Sorry, afternoon. So Kate had and Hebe. Let's see, Hebe MX. She had Zoom Proto. Yo, Sloth. So where was it a reel? This one? This one. Check it. Boom. And Kate was on stream and she's like, you know how hard it is to build a keyboard with nails? And I was like, yeah, actually, I can imagine. Anyway, so here, look, she's got like drops in the PCB. There's some sort of like, I don't know, embellish thing on the top. Oh, and there's like something on the bottom. What is it? Like an ESD sheet? Is that foam? Feels weird that she would put foam in that on a brass bottom like that. But the round corners and this like, that's looking pretty clean. Yeah, like a screwdriver. I guess a screwdriver, whatever. But I mean, the board is looking pretty clean. It's like lots of the other designs she's done, like the Hibiki and the June, but this time with a layout that I actually like. So looks like but it could be, Frank, that's usually wool. That looked like it was like sticky though or something. I don't know, maybe it was. Yeah, can't wait for a TKL. Yeah, that'd be cool. That would be cool. Norbauer uses wool. That looked like foam. I could be wrong. Okay, let's get these here, let me get these push-ups done for El Quan. Oh, we're gonna need more than that. Okay, ready? Oh my God, tonight's gonna be rough, you guys. Tonight's gonna be rough. Oof. That trampoline, I'm telling you, killing me. Okay. All right, back to it. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, look at this. What happened? Oh my gosh. Stretch. Okay. Thank you, Darko. That's so funny that you noticed that. Afternoon Delight. Lady Dispatch has been like, can we fix that finally, please? And I'm like, no one will notice. Well, now I'm going to have to fix it. Thanks, Afternoon. Because she's probably watching. So that she'll be like, see? Told you someone would notice. Tunnel Rat. It's going to be pain tonight. It's going to be nothing but pain tonight. I'm telling you. It's oh my, which I thought had changed. No, the paint's actually the same. The dark paint is the same. It's the just when I turn the lights on. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, hang on, what's going on here? Anything broken? Something broken? Okay. And no, okay, we're good. Just checking. Have you seen a Matrix ME? I have not. No. Well, off to explore. Oh my gosh, Sloth. Have fun, dude. Have fun. Have a good time out there. If you guys get one guess of where Sloth is right now. He just says off to explore / gamble. So what do you think? You guys get one guess. There you go. There you go. Hopefully he has a good time indeed. Okay. Now here, is he in my city? He's in a city. So here we have a, this is why I don't put anything away. I'm like looking around, I'm like, where's my spudger? Where's my spudger? Damn it. Okay. Let's see. Just so I don't break anything. Just so I don't break anything. Okay, so here. Now the cool thing is we've got a, this is like a brushed, it's like a brushed aluminum interior. And then this here is actually very similar to the Vertex, to the finish on a Vertex angle or a matrix. So this has got like sort of that very rough, sparkly sort of black finishing here. Yeah, like I said, you've got these really nice embellished chamfered edges here on the top, which is super, super nice. The side profile is sort of a classic wedge. It's got a little bit of that like Norbauer design language, a little bit taller on the front, of course. You've got a bit of a straight portion here before pushing into a bit of a sort of forward-facing angle back towards the front of the keyboard, right? You can see that. So it's got a little bit of a aggressive stance going forward, looking pretty good, pretty good. There's a slight bevel down and in, probably to help you pick it up. Yeah, a little bit, gives you something to kind of like grab, you know. Back here, fairly low sort of positioned USB-C port, which is nice. The back is pretty plain, not a whole lot to write home about, but looking good. Same thing on the left, nothing different on this side, right? Hey, Ori Damos, hope you've been good, man. I've just been lurk, dude. I appreciate the lurk, appreciate it. But all in all, this is looking pretty nice. Daughter board down here, universal JST, perfect. All right, let's pull this thing apart. Now it looks like we can't, looks like we have to take the back off if, well, I guess the corners. We could leave the plastic on, but let's be honest. That polish is looking fabulous, to tell you the truth. Look at that. That is crisp. Right up the nose. Hey, Varlin. No! No! Oh, hang on a second. All right. Super quick. That is a nice mirror, nice reflection. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, let us, now the feet, I guess, are intended to go in and out, which is why they're these rubber doohickeys. We need a toolkit with a hex driver. I'm assuming that's silver and not the black. It's funny actually how you can't tell, but yes, it is the silver. That's correct, Shy. Are you even a lefty? Avo? Shh. Quiet. Quiet. Oh my gosh. Cancerous one? That is rigged. Avo. It was like, Gio, what are you even doing? And I'm like, Avo, shh. Quiet. Quiet, okay? Okay, here we go. Ooh, that is kind of tight. Okay. Ooh, not messing around with that. Are you bringing cables to the meet for sale? Shy Locutus, I was going to bring some cables to the meet for sale. However, I'm not sure, gotta tell you, I'm not sure how many sales I could technically make. I was gonna have some for giveaway. I was gonna bring some audio cables for giveaway, and then, excuse me,